Today we are taking a look at the brand new Bowflex Max Trainer MT16. Now, if you are looking at the Bowflex Max Trainer for the first time, the first thing you should know is that even though it is categorized as an elliptical, it's not really an elliptical. It's a hard piece of fitness equipment to categorize because it's sort of a hybrid between an elliptical and a stair stepper, which is actually a nice blend because both ellipticals and stair steppers have their own pros and cons. But essentially, the elliptical is designed better for longer, lower intensity aerobic workouts and also tend to take up a little bit more room, whereas stair steppers are a bit better at higher intensity interval workouts, allowing you to burn more calories quicker, and also tend to take up less room because they are designed more vertically than they are laid out. And so the Max Trainer tries to take the best of both. It doesn't really take up any more space than a home connected fitness bike, and you can get really good high intensity interval sessions on it as you would a stair stepper. And since it does have a little bit of movement back and forth like an elliptical, it also allows you to have slightly longer aerobic sessions as well. It's an interesting mix that I found works pretty darn well. The Bowflex Max Trainer has been pretty popular for quite a while, but now they've made a ton of new improvements with the brand new MT16. So let's dig into everything that you need to know before you decide to buy one. Hey, this is Colin Jenkins with Connect the Watts, where we cover the latest connected fitness news, reviews, tips, and guides. So if you like that and would like to get more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, one of the biggest improvements made with the new Bowflex Max Trainer MT16 is that now there is a 16-inch touchscreen which connects to Bowflex's connected fitness service, Journey, or JNRY. And Journey goes into a much different direction compared to other connected fitness services like Peloton or iFit. And I think for some people, they're gonna absolutely love the workouts and how they're integrated here, and for others, maybe not so much. So let me explain why. See, Journey's workouts are pretty much categorized into 3 categories. You can take adaptive workouts, which are designed to adjust to your own personal fitness level. Then there are over 50 scenic routes that you can take, which are controlled by your speed. So the faster you go, the faster you visually move through the ride. And then there are also on-demand classes, which are classes led by coaches that you can take as well. Some of these coaches, by the way, are very recognizable from other fitness services that I've reviewed in the past.
Okay, look at that. What's up, stud? Bod, what's going on, my friend? And you got someone on the bike, too. There's a lot of fitness going on in that house.
But here's the thing. The best part about Journey, which I don't think a lot of other connected fitness services provide in any way whatsoever, is that not only can you take these adaptive rides while listening to your music or taking any scenic ride you'd like, but you can also take these classes while watching some of your favorite movies and shows on Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, Amazon, and Disney Plus. So basically, after you select a workout, you'll then be able to choose what you would like to watch and listen to during that workout. And the adaptive workout is shown in a horizontal line that you can move to whichever part of the screen you like. And this line shows your metrics, how hard you should be working on each part, and how much longer you have in the workout. And I found this to be by far my favorite part of the entire Bowflex Max Trainer experience. Because while I do like taking connected fitness classes with coaches, I also like watching shows on Netflix, and there's tons of them that I never have time to watch. And so I was finally able to, while I worked out, still following a good workout program and being distracted by how much pain my legs were in the whole time while I watched Squid Games. And I just love that Bowflex and Journey did this, because other companies right now, they are actually patching their tablets to prevent you from watching Netflix on their machines. And here is Bowflex and Journey basically implementing it as part of their experience. It's very smart, and it's honestly a reason I think a lot of people will choose the Max Trainer M16 over other similar devices. Now, the Journey membership comes free for 1 year when you purchase the machine, but after that, it costs $149 every single year, which, to be fair, is about half of the cost of most connected fitness services. But I would love to see them do more with it, maybe add a new workout or two every day, or even provide some more complete programs that you can follow along to, because as of right now, they just really don't offer a ton of new content on a frequent basis. And Journey also provides strength classes and other sorts of classes that you can take off of the Max Trainer, but you'll probably want to take those on the app with your tablet or phone, since looking up towards the Bowflex Max Trainer screen is probably not going to be the most enjoyable way to take those classes. So what else is new with the Bowflex MT16? Well, it now has 6 grip hand positions versus the previous 4, and despite my 3-year-old being accurate in describing this as looking like a reindeer, I actually do appreciate the extra grips because it allows you to position your body differently and focus on different areas throughout the workout, whether you want to be more upright or lean forward. It also now has 20 resistance levels compared to the previous 16, and I don't really think most people will need these extra 4 resistance levels because honestly, after 10, things start to get pretty hard. But it is nice to have those extra higher end resistance levels when you want to have that extra push for some of the more high intensity interval training. The Max Total 16 also has a new dual rail design, which allows it to move a bit more smoothly with less chance of the wheel slipping off. It's also got a nice new steel resistance dial that lights up, and it has a great set of Bluetooth speakers under the screen, which you can connect your phone to play your own music or podcast while you work out. And it also comes with a heart rate strap, which is decent enough and will connect via Bluetooth. And similar to the previous Bowflex Max Trainer models, it still has a built-in USB charging port, a place to put your hands to get your heart rate in case you don't have a monitor on, a nice place to hold your phone, an oversized bottle holder, oversized textured pedals, which do allow for good grip for all foot sizes. It has transport wheels, which honestly make this thing pretty easy to move despite it being so tall and awkward. And similar to the previous model, this machine is built with a maximum user weight of 300 pounds, so make sure to keep that in mind. Overall, I'm very impressed and I've really enjoyed my time so far on the Bowflex Max Trainer 16. And usually here is where I would start laying out all of the negatives about it, but there really aren't that many. I mean, it's a bit on the pricier side at $2,799. It doesn't look quite as nice sitting in your home as some other products do. It's also very tall vertically, which makes it stand out a bit more. But this is true of all ellipticals and stair steppers. And I did find it tough to connect some headphones to it. The process just wasn't quite as intuitive as I thought it should be. And of course, if you really want some of the best instructor-led classes, well, you're probably not going to find that here, and this might not be the best fit for you. But if you like the idea of following personalized workouts while watching some of your favorite shows or listening to your music, then this is probably going to be a pretty good fit. And the connected fitness service Journey is fairly new, so I'm pretty hopeful that Bowflex will continue to improve upon this service and add more to it over time. And I, for one, am just very happy with the device. I'm definitely going to continue using it, especially for times where I want a really hard, higher intensity push, because this thing gets you going very quickly, which can also make you really sore. So if you want to learn more about a recovery tool that I think pairs perfectly with a piece of equipment like this, make sure to check out my recent review on the Hyper Vault 2 Pro. You can check that video out here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.